300 SL Roadster Junior Car. The 300 SL Roadster Junior Car is a breathtaking 60% scale version of the iconic 1950s Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster, one of the most admired German convertibles of all time. This isn't just a display piece. It's a fully functional luxury junior car designed with incredible detail to mirror the real thing. From its polished stainless steel bumpers to its elegant classic-style interior, every feature gives it the authentic charm of the original. Built with performance in mind, it comes equipped with independent suspension, ventilated disc brakes on all wheels, and Brembo brake calipers, ensuring safety and smooth control. Powering this mini marvel is a 4-stroke 110cc petrol engine, capable of reaching speeds of up to 75 kilometers per hour, making it surprisingly fast for its size. Athos Fat Bike Pedal Quad. The Athos Fat Bike Pedal Quad is a bicycle like no other. Most of us have seen tricycles and even unicycles, but this four-wheeled pedal bike takes cycling to a whole new level. Built by Contest Engineering, the Athos is designed with massive fat tires that make it perfect for riding on tough terrains such as sand and snow. At first sight, it may look too heavy to pedal, but once you hop on, you'll be surprised at how smoothly it moves across the beach or other challenging surfaces. Its clever design allows riders to enjoy both stability and adventure, making it ideal for those who love exploring the outdoors in a new and exciting way. Since it doesn't rely on an engine, the Athos is powered completely by your legs, turning every ride into a fun workout that strengthens muscles while giving you a rush of energy. This unique combination of exercise and exploration makes it much more than just a bike. It's an adventure machine. Benio Drift Car. The Benio Drift Car is an exciting ride-on toy that brings the thrill of drifting to kids in a safe and playful way. Designed for children ages 6 and up, this electric drift car is built with strong materials, giving it both durability and safety while still packing in plenty of fun. Its unique drift wheels are specially made for smooth sliding and spinning, letting kids feel like little racers while keeping control. Powered by a reliable 24-volt battery and two 250-watt motors, the Benio Drift Car can reach speeds of up to 13 kilometers per hour, about 8 miles per hour, which is just the right balance between excitement and safety for young riders. It supports a maximum load of 70 kilograms, making it suitable for growing kids who want hours of entertainment. Once fully charged in about 8 to 12 hours, the car runs for 1 to 2 hours of continuous fun, perfect for outdoor play sessions. Berg Vision Go-Kart. The Berg Vision Go-Kart is not your ordinary pedal kart. It's a futuristic ride designed to excite, inspire, and push the limits of fun. Priced at $129.99, this go-kart combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology to create an experience that feels both playful and advanced. From the outside, it looks sporty and stylish, but once you hop on, you'll discover the real magic. It features a central brake disc for strong stopping power, 5 gears for smooth riding, and a smart pedal assist electric system that makes every push easier and faster. The harder you pedal, the more support it gives, letting you zoom along with little effort. It also comes with a built-in onboard computer and integrated light system, adding a modern and high-tech touch. Whether you're racing friends or just enjoying the ride, the Berg Vision Go-Kart makes it feel effortless and exciting. It's built with durability in mind, so it can handle plenty of action while staying reliable. Biohybrid. The Biohybrid was a smart little vehicle designed to make city travel easier, greener, and more comfortable. Created by Schaeffler and first shown in 2016, it combined the idea of a bicycle with the comfort of a compact car. Unlike a regular bike, it had 4 wheels and a fully enclosed cabin to protect you from rain, wind, or heat. Inside, there was a comfortable seat and enough storage space for groceries, bags, or everyday essentials. What made it exciting was the way you could use it. Either pedal like a bike for exercise or switch to electric power when you wanted an effortless ride. It also had a throttle for assisted pedaling or going fully electric, giving riders more flexibility. With a maximum speed of about 25 kilometers per hour, it was perfect for short city trips, commuting to work, or running errands without worrying about traffic jams or finding parking. The Biohybrid was lightweight, eco-friendly, and practical, making it a creative alternative to cars. Sadly, despite its futuristic design and clever features, the project faced challenges and was discontinued in 2022. BMW X6M. The BMW X6M ride-on car is a dream toy for kids who want to experience the thrill of driving a luxury car just like their parents. Designed as a smaller version of the real BMW X6M, this ride-on is full of realistic details that make it stand out. It features a stylish dashboard, working stereo, air intakes, and even a remote control with buttons that give it an authentic touch. Children between 2 and 5 years old can drive it themselves using the pedals and steering wheel, while parents can keep everything safe by controlling the car remotely. The BMW X6M offers 3 speed options, going from 3 to 8 kilometers per hour, giving kids the excitement of a real drive but at a safe pace. Built to hold up to 45 kilograms, it's sturdy, comfortable, and designed to last through countless adventures. Whether cruising around the backyard or driving down the sidewalk, kids will love the independence and fun it brings. City Transformer CT1. The City Transformer CT1 is a revolutionary all-electric vehicle made for city living. Its most amazing feature is its ability to shrink from 140 centimeters wide to just 100 centimeters in under 3 seconds. This makes driving through narrow streets, tight corners, and tiny parking spaces super easy, something regular cars struggle with. Even though it's small, the CT1 is powerful. It can reach speeds of 90 kilometers per hour and travel up to 180 kilometers on a single charge, making it perfect for daily commuting, errands, or quick trips around the city. The car also comes with smart features like a parking assistant and a smartphone app that lets you control it remotely, adding convenience and safety. Compact, eco-friendly, and futuristic, the CT1 combines the practicality of a car with the maneuverability of a scooter. Its foldable design and advanced technology make it perfect for crowded urban areas where space is limited. Daymax Spiritus. The Daymax Spiritus is a modern and stylish electric car designed to make driving both fun and practical. With a range of 300 kilometers and the ability to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.9 seconds, it's fast enough for city roads and smooth enough for everyday commuting. One of its standout features is the solar roof, which adds up to 10 kilometers of extra range per day, while its regenerative system helps extend battery life during driving. The Spiritus runs on a 22.8 kilowatt-hours battery pack, delivering 40 kilowatts of power, and can be charged from a standard 110-volt outlet or a level 2 charger. Inside, the car offers modern conveniences like wireless charging for phones and other devices, so you can stay connected while on the move. Its eco-friendly design, combined with performance and comfort, makes it perfect for anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing style or speed. Aretic Snow Scoot. The Aretic Snow Scoot is a fresh and thrilling way to enjoy winter sports, blending the fun of a scooter with the freedom of a snowboard. Instead of strapping into skis or a board, you stand on a wide, stable deck with handlebars in front, giving you more balance and control as you ride. Made from lightweight yet durable materials, the Snow Scoot is easy to carry, transport, and handle on the slopes. The adjustable handlebars make it simple to customize the fit for your height and riding style, ensuring comfort and better performance. What makes the Aretic Snow Scoot especially exciting is its versatility. You can take it on groomed slopes, glide through powder, or even push your limits on jumps and rails. Beginners will love how easy it is to learn compared to skiing or snowboarding, while experienced riders will enjoy the new challenge it brings. Available in 2 main versions: the slope model for smooth runs and carving, and the powder model designed for deeper snow. It gives you options depending on your riding preference. Starting at just $430, the Aretic Snow Scoot is a fun, affordable way to make your winter adventures more exciting and unique. Flightboard. The Flightboard is an amazing electric hydrofoil surfboard that lets you ride above the water like you're flying. Its powerful electric motor lifts the board smoothly out of the water, giving you a unique and thrilling experience as you glide over waves. The board is powered by a lithium-ion battery, offering up to 45 minutes of riding time on a single charge, perfect for fun sessions on lakes, rivers, or the ocean. Despite its advanced technology, the Flightboard is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry, store, and take on any adventure. It's not just for surfing. This versatile board can be used for cruising, racing, or practicing tricks, giving riders of all skill levels a chance to enjoy the water in a new way. The Flightboard provides both excitement and exercise, combining the thrill of speed with balance and control. Its smooth, stable ride makes it accessible to beginners, while still offering adrenaline-pumping fun for experienced riders. Kingsong S19. The Kingsong S19 is a powerful and versatile electric unicycle built for both city streets and off-road trails. It comes with a 16-inch tire, a 35,500-watt motor, and a 1,800 watts battery, giving it the ability to reach speeds of up to 37 miles per hour and travel as far as 40 miles on a single charge. Its 130 millimeters air suspension ensures a smooth, comfortable ride. Kiwano KO1. The Kiwano KO1 is an innovative electric scooter that brings a fresh twist to urban commuting. Unlike traditional scooters, it rides on a single wide wheel, giving it a unique gliding feel. Steering is intuitive. You simply lean your body in the direction you want to go, making the ride smooth, fun, and surprisingly easy to control. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for short trips, running errands, or exploring your city without worrying about traffic or parking. Portability is another key feature. The KO1 folds down easily, so you can carry it into your office, store it in a small apartment, or take it on public transportation. Safety is also prioritized. An automatic braking system engages if you lean too far back, keeping the ride secure even for beginners. Lexus LX 570. The Lexus LX 570 ride-on car is the perfect toy for kids who dream of driving just like their parents. Designed as a smaller version of the famous Lexus SUV, it gives little ones the thrill of sitting behind the wheel of a luxury vehicle, but in a safe and playful way. Made for children aged 2 to 5, this electric car can be driven using the steering wheel and pedals, or parents can take control with a remote for extra safety. It comes with 3 speed settings, reaching up to 8 kilometers per hour, which makes the ride both fun and secure. The rechargeable battery gives kids around 45 to 60 minutes of non-stop driving, enough for plenty of adventures before it needs charging again. With its stylish design, comfortable seat, and realistic details, this mini Lexus looks and feels just like the real thing. It's sturdy, reliable, and built to handle the excitement of everyday play. Priced at $478, the Lexus LX 570 ride-on is more than just a toy. It's an exciting experience that lets children enjoy a touch of luxury and independence while keeping parents worry-free. A true gift for any little car lover. Linda Pedal Forklift Truck. The Lindy Pedal Forklift Truck is a toy that goes far beyond the usual ride-on cars, giving kids a unique and exciting way to play. Instead of just driving, children get the chance to learn how a forklift works while having fun. This pedal-powered vehicle lets them ride around, but the real highlight is the working lifting mechanism. With a bit of practice, kids can master the controls and start lifting and moving objects, just like a real forklift operator. To make things even more entertaining, the set includes a toy pallet, so little ones can load up and transport their favorite toys, creating their own mini warehouse or construction site adventures.